गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज डिस्कस करेंगे फर्स्ट एड। फर्स्ट एड इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ कैरिंग आउट द essential emergency treatment of an injury or illness in order to benefit the casualty. The casualty or patient is then sent to a hospital or to a doctor for further treatment. First aid can be divided into two parts, that is self help and first help. Self help is what the casualty can do for himself, and first help means what other people first aider can do for the casualty. In many instances, the first form of assistance is provided by the casualty himself. Much can usually be done by the patient himself in stop bleeding, by direct pressure, or by limb elevation supporting injured parts, covering the wounds, summoning others for help, and moving around by the injured person himself for emergency treatment if possible. When the casualty is unconscious or unable to move, the first aid is provided by the first aider, who is the person trained for the purpose, or at least knowing the underlying principle of the first aid. The first aider should remain calm and quiet and should maintain other as far as possible until the arrival of or reaching at emergency staff, who will then assume control. He should be quick but not hasty in taking decision. He should be tactful and polite in order to take help from onlookers. Call regarding calling doctor, arranging ambulance for shifting a patient to a hospital, or informing nearby police. First aid box. This is a small box and handy kit, contains the following articles: at least sterilized gauze piece, bandage of different sizes, adhesive plasters of different sizes, scissors and forceps, antiseptics, for example, Dettol, mercurochrome, spirit, etc. Silver sulfadazine cream, drugs, for example, analgesic, antibiotics, packet of ORS, etc. These kits should be kept in every home, school, buses, factories, swimming pools, picture halls, and other public places in ready to use form for the emergency. With the advantage in equipment, automobile or mechanical technology, and overcoming or overcrowding problem, there is an increase in the number of accidents. At any time, at any place, accident of varying degree can occur. Hence, the knowledge of first aid is very useful in the present times for saving our own life and lives of others. The help in the form of first aid needed by the victim varies from simple encouraging words to cardio cardiopulmonary resuscitation or CPR. Most of the times, accidents are result of carelessness of human being. Accidents can be prevented if due care and precaution are observed. The primary aim of the first aid treatment should be preserve the life of casualty. The other aim of the first aid can be minimize the effect of the injury or prevention of complication, to relieve pain and suffering, and to arrange for the casualty to be taken or to hospital or to a doctor for further treatment. The major principle of first aid are care, elevation of the situation, maintenance of respiration, and functioning of heart, control of bleeding, prevention or management of shock, splinting of fractures and dressing of wounds. यदि वीडियो पसंद आता है लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। धन्यवाद।